Hi guys! Welcome back to Crafty Kids! In this video, I'll be showing you guys how to make a easy paper Squid Game storage watch. So this is a very easy way of making a paper Squid Game storage watch and it's a useful tool. So as you guys see in the first, we can see the Squid Game guard and it can be easily worn and it can also be easily removed. And you can also store things inside. So after we remove it, you can just open it over here and you could store things like this. So I just stored like 3 balls. You can store like candies or any other paper crafts or any small rings or anything. You can store any precious things over here. So now as you see, it's really useful, so you can give it to your friends and family members and you can even use this to play. So without any further delay, let's get started and we'll be seeing how to make this really easy and cute Squid Game storage watch. So before we start, please subscribe to my channel if you haven't done yet. Like, share and comment. Also press the bell icon so that you won't miss out on any interesting videos like this. So now let's get into the video and let's get started. So to get started, I'm just going to be taking 2 square pieces of paper of brownish yellow color. So you guys can take any color paper you like. The first step is that we're going to make 2 boxes, one in this and one in this. So I've already posted a video on my channel about how to make a easy paper box. So you guys can refer that video if you like, if you like this kind of hard. So first step is that I'm going to be folding the square piece of paper in half in both the directions like this. Now I'm going to be folding all the 4 sides of the paper to the middle point over here. So after we complete this, I'm going to be taking this piece of paper and I'm going to be folding it to half of the line over here. And I'm going to be repeating the same step on the side of the paper as well. So now I'm going to be opening it and I'm going to be folding the other 2 sides and pieces of the paper to the middle line. So after we complete this, we're supposed to be opening it like this, and I'm also going to be taking out one more piece of paper from over here. So now I'm just going to be folding both sides of the paper to the middle point over here, slowly like this. So I'm just going to be doing it perfect so that this point does not come out. So now I'm going to be taking the bottom part of the paper and I'm going to be folding it to this point over here. Now I'm taking this one and I'm folding it to the top. So you do not have to do this step, it's not compulsory, but if you do it, the foldings will be perfect and correct. So now I'm just going to be opening this piece of papers over here and now I'm going to be folding it inside and I'm going to be pushing it to get a shape of a box. So I'm going to be repeating the same step on the opposite side of the paper as well. So you can make it any size for the box you're going to be making. So I just made it like small like this, you guys can make it kind of bigger as well. So now we're supposed to be repeating the same step on the opposite side on the other piece of paper as well. So I'm going to be making another box. I'm going to be making it in kind of a fast way. So if you guys want, you could play forward the video and see how to make this. So now we're almost going to be completed with it. I'm just going to be folding it on the opposite side as well, and now our box is ready. So we just have to do the foldings properly so that the enough storage space will be there. So now we're just going to be making sure which one is bigger. So as you see, this one's kind of bigger than this one. So I'm just going to be putting it inside and making the box nice and strong and inserting it inside to one another. So now our box is ready. So you can just check if it fits your size or if it's enough, because if you make it too big, it won't be nice. It will look like a big box or something. So next we'll be starting off by making the hand part. So for that, I'm just going to be taking a rectangular strip of paper like this, and I'm going to be cutting it over here at the corners so that you make it like kind of pointy over here. So the next step is that I'm just going to be gluing this over here on this piece of paper. So for that, I'm just going to be taking a glue bottle and I'm applying some glue over here. So now I'm just going to be taking this piece of paper and I'm going to be sticking it over here. So I should give it more time to dry so that it dries properly. So in the meanwhile, I'm turning it over here and I'm going to pressing on it. So one more thing is that I'm just going to be gluing it over here to the bottom. You can also try one more thing. So if you're a big child and if you have a cutter with you, you could just cut it over here and you could just take this and you can squeeze it inside. But if you're a small child, please do not use a cutter, because since you might cut your hands and it might be dangerous. So next step is that I'm just going to be taking this piece of paper and I'm taking another piece of paper like this, and I'm going to be cutting off a small rectangular piece of paper like this. So it should be a small strip like this one. And now I'm just going to be putting this paper over here and attaching it. So as you guys see, like this, you're supposed to keep it like this, and after you just press on it, I'm just going to be sticking it over here on this side. So as you guys see, this is the side we cut out the pointy part, and you're supposed to be sticking this piece of paper on the opposite side. So I'm just going to be applying some glue on the front over here and in the back. So now I'm just going to be taking this piece of paper and I'm sticking it over here, and I'm making it come backwards of the watch, and I'm sticking it on the opposite side. So please wait a second until I complete this. So now I've completed and have a small part over here, as you see. So this has to be made. This has to be made really strong, because if you do it, this is not proper, then the watch might come off. So as you see now, when you're going to be wearing it, you could just squeeze it over here inside, and you can press on it like this. So it can also be adjustable. So now watch is ready. So let's keep this aside, and now we'll be starting off making the Squid Game figure over here. So for this, I'm just going to be taking a small white piece of paper like this, and I'm just going to be drawing the figure. So for this, I'm just going to be using a black marker. So if you're not good at drawing, please take a pencil and draw, then you can give an outline. So with this black sketch pen, I'm just going to be drawing a small oval. A small oval like this. So I'm just going to be drawing one more boundary around it slowly. So I'm also going to be making like a ear-like part over here, and I'm going to be drawing this. So after we complete this, I'm just going to be drawing one line that comes from over here and one more from this side, and I'm going to be joining it like this. So we'll have a structure like this. So now I'm going to be drawing two lines over here, and I'm going to be coloring it in thickly. One steep line over here and one more on the side. It should be like an M, a straight M. So now the next step we're going to be doing is that I'm just going to be coloring in this whole part over here, the center, like this. So after we complete this, I'm just going to be closing this, and I'm going to be taking a red marker and I'm going to be coloring in the bottom part in, slowly like this. So after we do that, I'm going to take another red shade which will make it to look more nicer, and I'm going to be using that shade and I'm going to be coloring it in again on the bottom part. So it will be nice if we use two shades of colors, which will make it nice and beautiful and pretty as well. So I'm done coloring in. So next I'm going to be taking a whitener. So if you guys want, you could just leave some space over here and color the rest of the things black, but it might be kind of complicated. So I just colored everything over here, and for the white part I'm only using a whitener. So if you don't have a whitener, you could just take a white oil pastel with a small piece, and you can cut it and you can use it. So now I'm just going to be drawing a small triangle over here like this, and now I'm going to be drawing one more line that comes on the side, and I'm going to be drawing two lines from the bottom part like this. So once we complete this, our Squid Game figure will be ready. It will be a triangle and two lines coming off. So next step is that I'm just going to be taking a scissor and I'm cutting this off. So please be careful while cutting it. So I'm just going to be cutting it slowly like this. So if you want, you can cut out the outline. I'm just going to be cutting it bulgy like this. Now after you complete this, you can slowly cut it off perfectly. So now I'm going to be cutting it perfectly. So please wait a second. So if you've completed, in the meanwhile time, you can subscribe to my channel if you haven't done yet. Like, share and comment. Also press the bell icon so that you will receive a notification whenever I upload a video. Okay, so now we're done with the cutting part, and we'll have cute Squid Game structure over here. So now the next step is that I'm just going to be applying some glue on this square piece we made. As you guys see over here, I'm applying some glue and taking the Squid Game structure we made, and I'm only sticking this guard over here. So after we complete this, our watch is ready. So now I'll just teach you how to wear that. So we just have to take this part and you have to put it on your arm over here. So I'm just going to be turning this like this, and we'll have the small opening part over here. So we just have to squeeze it in over here and have to press on it. So I'll just show you in reality. So you have to take this opening, have to place it on your arm, then you have to squeeze this one inside like this. Then if you after you fit it into your arm, it's supposed to be folding it back over here like this, and you could take this part and you're supposed to be pressing on it nicely like this. So after we complete this, you could wear this on your arm. So if you feel like it's excess and it's really big, you could just cut this off as well into the correct size, and you could wear it easily. So after we complete this, our easy Squid Game watch is ready. So as you see in this one, I just put some small balls over here, so you can store candy in this as well. So if you want, you can just open it like this and just put like 1 or 2 candies inside, and you can just close it. Or if you want, you can even make like a paper watch inside. So I've already posted a video in my channel about how to make a paper watch, and in that video I just like made the same watch and I did like a paper watch and I stuck it on top. So you can even open that, and you can even do this in the middle part over here, and you could stick it over here and you can do it. So it'll be like a secret watch storage as well. So now I'm just going to be putting it over here and I'm going to be closing it. So you can do this watch according to your size. So if you want like a bigger storage, you can do it for bigger ones. If you want a smaller one, you can do it for smaller ones as well. So as you guys see in this one, I just stuck this paper from the top, the storage one, and this one I just stuck it at the bottom. So you can do it in any way you like and which one you think it's better and good for you. So after we complete this, Easy Paper Squid Game storage box is ready. So you can put more decorations onto it and you can do it and decorate it in any way you like. You can put more decorations, or you can even do for different characters. So it's not that you just have to do it for Squid Game. You can just do like the doll for Squid Game, or you can even like do for SpongeBob or Doraemon or Pikachu or anything. I've already posted more characters like this in my channel, so you can don't forget to watch that as well. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you guys next time on Crafty Kids. So before I conclude, please subscribe to my channel if you haven't done yet. Like, share and comment. Also press the bell icon so that you'll receive notification whenever I upload a video. And if you have any doubts about what I should post in my channel, or have any queries, you can ask me definitely in the comment box. I'll see to your comments and respond to them as soon as possible. Thank you for watching. Bye.